In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an income statement in Xero step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, bookkeeper, or accountant, knowing how to quickly generate your income statement, also called the profit and loss report, is essential for understanding how your business is performing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access it, customize it, compare periods, and export it. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top menu bar. Click on Reporting. This is where all your financial reports live inside Xero. After clicking Reporting, you'll see a list of available reports. Find Profit and Loss in the list. In some versions, you can also use the search bar and type in Income Statement, and it will bring up the Profit and Loss report since they mean the same thing. Click on Profit and Loss to open the report. Now the first thing you'll want to do is select your date range. At the top of the report, you'll see the date range selector. You can choose options like this month, this quarter, this financial year, or last financial year. If you need a specific time period, click on Custom and manually enter the start and end dates. Once you've selected your desired date range, click Update. Xero will now generate your income statement based on the selected period. Your income statement will appear on the screen. The first section you'll see is Income or Revenue. This shows the money your business earned during the selected period. Below that, you'll see Expenses. This includes all the money your business spent, such as rent, software subscriptions, utilities, marketing, and wages. At the bottom, you'll see Net Profit or Loss. This is your bottom line. If your income is higher than your expenses, you have a net profit. If your expenses are higher than your income, you have a net loss. Now let's look at a few powerful customization options. At the top of the report, you may see an option called Compare Periods. This allows you to compare this year's performance to last year, or this month to last month. Simply enable the comparison option and select the comparison period. This is extremely useful for analyzing growth trends. Another helpful feature is tracking categories. If your business uses tracking categories for departments, locations, or projects, you can filter the income statement to view performance by specific segments. This gives you deeper insight into which parts of your business are most profitable. Once you're happy with your report, you can export it. Look for the Export button, usually located at the top right of the report. From there, you can download the income statement as a PDF for sharing or as an Excel file if you want to perform further analysis or make adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized an income statement in Xero. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to generate a clear picture of your business performance. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.